So, okay, Sunday morning, we're about to take off. We've already packed all our stuff. Y'all, I didn't even know that this towel that was in the bathroom, it says makeup. Got the little makeup wipe from it, but I didn't know that. This is good because if all they have is white towels, but this black one helps to use for your makeup. So I like that. I woke up a little swollen, y'all. My rings barely went on today. So let me show you my outfit. Okay, so here is my outfit. I'm wearing the Tory Burch shorts that I just bought. My bodysuit from Amazon. I'm gonna link this down below, y'all. It does have a full bottom. I have no idea. I am going to link the bodysuit below. It has a full bottom, but it still like goes kind of high to me. So I still wear under attire with it. And then my Tory Burch cardigan. This one's called the boyfriend cardigan. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just wear my sandals. It was really hard to put makeup on in this room because it was so dark. So hopefully I don't have an abundance of something. And as far as my jewelry, I just wore the same jewelry. I do like this Tory Burch necklace because yesterday I wore it long and today I just doubled up on it. And it serves like a 2-tier necklace. I put my little Louis Vuitton lock on this paperclip necklace that I had. So yeah, we're about to eat something and then head to Arizona. Should take us, like I said yesterday, about 6 hours. So I'm excited to get there. The room was good. I did like it. I like the views. There was a lot going on. Last night they had fireworks and I was too tired to get up, but I could hear like an abundance of fireworks. I don't know if it was at the ballpark or if it was down here in the plaza, or if it was like that wedding that they had. Look how desolate it looks this morning. I don't know. But I asked my husband if he heard them as well, and he said yes. So, I mean, they had fireworks for something. There's people down there. But, yep, I'm ready to go. Look, the sun is rising. We got up early. So, we're an hour ahead here. So, at home, it's 8, but here it's 7. Which kind of makes it a little bit, you know, seems like we're getting up early, but we're really not. We're getting up late for our time. But yeah, so we're about to head out. So the fireworks were from the ball game. I asked the front desk, see it was right there. So I'm glad I didn't get up to look because I wouldn't have seen anything. It was better that I stayed in bed. So we're gonna try to find something to eat and then we're gonna head down. We're just gonna do to go. We're not gonna try to sit down somewhere. I wish we knew a good burrito place here, but that's okay. We'll find something. They have so many neat murals here. Look at that. Vertigo.
Yeah, that's it. It says Arizona.
We are in the state of Arizona. Yeah, we still got probably like 2 hours to get to the house.
No, longer. Longer? Yeah, we still got like 2 hours. 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 2 hours
$30 again. I don't know if I said that last video, but I had the egg white bites and the bread. Then we stopped at the convenience store and I got a bunch of candy. I got like some York mints, my nerds, my ear nerds that are kind of sour, lollipops. My husband got Doritos and jerky. And then we have our cooler back here with water and Cokes. Oh yeah, I did buy something from Victoria's Secret. We did go to the mall. I didn't show y'all because it was nothing spectacular. But I just got some more sleep boy shorts. And then my husband bought a couple of shorts from Dillard's because they're still having a sale. So if y'all are looking for shorts for next summer, I would definitely hit it up. We're in Arizona again. So right there it says, Tucson says 127 miles. So that's an hour and a half?
Hour and a half, 2 hours.
Yeah.
And then I think from there it's an hour and a half to Phoenix.
Okay. I feel like I look like a bug with these shades on. These are the Burberry shades. We're here. Yay. But I didn't know, or maybe I did. But I didn't do the math that we are 2 hours ahead. So it's 4 o'clock here. No, it's 4 o'clock home. And it's 2 o'clock here. And we can't go into the house until 4. So tonight is movie night. I forgot. I did the itinerary and I forgot what I put on it. My husband was like, tonight's movie night, and I said it is. So I don't think we can go into the house early, because if you do, I think they charge you like $40 or $25, depending on how much early you're there. So, and I forget too, because I thought we could go to the 9:20 movie, but that would be 11 o'clock our time. When you fall asleep. We did that when we went to go see Jennifer Lopez. Vegas is also 2 hours behind us, and it was at 8 o'clock. So that was already 10 o'clock our time that we were trying to go to that concert. That was crazy. But anyway, so I guess we'll see. We haven't gotten to the house yet, so as soon as we get there, I guess we'll see what time it is. I might call them and see if they'll let us go in early without charging us anything, but I'll just tell them about the time issue. But we'll see. We should be there, it says, in 6 minutes. Okay, we are here. Here's the front of the house, the neighborhood. So, we'll see. Alright, so this is where you walk in. Here is the living room. My husband's spraying everything down. So, wow, huge television set. Here's the towels for the pool. We'll go out to the pool in a second. Here is the kitchen. It's really nice in here. Really, really nice. Here is the laundry room. I think that's to the garage, or this is. I don't know. I don't want to touch anything until my husband sprays everything. Oh, this is nice. They gave us, like, at least this stuff, because they didn't give us that stuff before. I hope the pool is clean. We haven't been able to get in a pool. Makes me mad. So, Very beautifully decorated. My goodness, that is pretty. So there's a glimpse of the back and the pool. So we'll go out here in a second. Let me show you the bedrooms. So this is, do you think this one's the master, babe? Hmm? Is this one the master probably, or?
I can tell you think so, but none of these got bathrooms.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the master one.
So this one has a view of the pool. See, I can go out to the pool. The pool doesn't look very clean. Which I'm gonna be a little disappointed. I don't know what those are. Nice furniture though. Another big TV. These are like closet spaces. Here is the master bathroom. They did a really good job in here. I think this was a remodeled home. Like they even have where you can set your phone. Oh, and they even gave us products in here. Nice. Look, a full thing of, that's awesome. I did bring a box with stuff, but it's nice that they provided that. Oh, and a full-length mirror in a weird place, but hey, that works. Love that. That's nice. So let's go over here. I think this probably is like, oh, it's empty, like extra towels and stuff like that. Yeah. This is another bathroom. These bathrooms are nice. It's a nice house, huh, babe? Mm-hmm. It's very nice. Here is another bedroom. Plenty of storage. Very beautifully decorated. I mean, it's beautiful in here. Here's the last room. This one has a smaller bed, but super, super nice. Yeah, we had to kill time because we tried to call them to see if we could get in the house sooner, and it was just a headache. We got like 5 different representatives, and then, yeah, it just wasn't going well, which I hate because it's always disappointing. Let's go out here and see this patio. Okay, so there's a fan there. I tell you, pictures does a lot because it looked a whole lot bigger back here. But there's a place to sit there. We went to Trader Joe's to get some stuff, like to hang out. But yeah, here's the golf club so we can play golf. It's a beautiful home. Very beautiful. Look, you can get some shade there if you want to put that down. I don't know about the... It's so hot right now. I don't even know if... I don't know if they clean back here. It looks kind of dirty. I don't know what that is. Oh. But the pool does look a little bit not clean. I guess we're going through here somewhere. We can't get in. Might just have to clean it a little bit. Yeah, sweet. Yeah, I don't know if they have the little things where we could clean the pool, but it does have like some, which is natural because it has a lot of stuff, you know. This is such a beautiful home. Yeah, it's looks like it's pretty deep. So that is it. We are so excited. But it's cold. I don't want to put my foot in there because I might fall in. That's all I need is to fall in. Yeah, I definitely like this out here where we can hang out here because we like to hang out outside in the evenings. The other reason that I record is so that if we see anything kind of strange or broken or something, I have a record of it. Okay, let me haul what we bought at Trader Joe's. I bought these ridge cut kettle cooked potato chips with sea salt. My husband got these organic yellow corn tortilla chip rounds. And basically what I want to do is like a little charcuterie board whenever we're here. We got the cheese, the crackers, my husband bought his coffee. This is going home. He just bought more of that ground coffee. I bought some strawberries, some limes, some organic chunky homestyle garlic, and I like mine with lime and garlic salt, so I went ahead and bought some. These are the limes. Right there. Wow, look how big they are. Only got 2. And then I got, my husband got this pub cheese. It's cheddar with jalapenos. And then he got this pico de gallo salsa. And then got some peanuts. That's everything, y'all. Like I said, this is the coffee the ground coffee that he's taking home. So this I won't unpack. There's the Trader Joe's haul. So we put all our stuff up and we're gonna go to the movies. And again, I didn't realize with the time. I said we could go to the movies at 9. That would be 11 o'clock our time. So we're gonna leave here in another hour. So we're just gonna chill. And I guess I'll end today here because I did give y'all a tour of the house and I don't know how long that's gonna be. And then we'll pick up tomorrow. I'm not gonna change. I'm just gonna wear the same thing. I thought about changing, but I'm too tired. But isn't this a beautiful home? Like, wow. Did y'all hear that? Anniversary trip, and my husband said he could have brought his PlayStation. Yeah. And he's been watching football. We made it to 10 years though, in 2 days. In 2 days, huh?
That's what's kept me sane.
What? We're gonna end this here, y'all. Bye.